Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to make something appear out of the ground like you see on the screen right now. Brought Jesus up on a cross. You can use 3D text or anything like that. I'm going to shorten this clip to about 12 seconds. It is a video, it doesn't have to be a video, but this one is. If it's panning or anything, you really can't do that. The camera has to be stationary in order to do this. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up there on the screen. I'm going to hold the Alt key down. Drag your copy up. We'll take it up to track 3. Leave track 2 open. And go to Fusion. With the media selected, add a polygon. Most people will cut the line on the polygon to put their mask. But all you have to do is hit invert here. Zoom out a little bit. Being I went down with it, I'm going to have to hit invert. If I went up with these, I wouldn't have to hit invert. So you can do that either way. That just flip-flops it. Then select Modify Only tool. That way you can manipulate your polyline without screwing it up, add more points. Highlight all the middle ones, and hit Smooth. And I got this transparent picture. It wasn't transparent, but I made it. I'm going to use the pitch and the rotation angle stuff to line this up straight. Then we're going to advance to 1 second. If you don't know, if you hold the shift key down and hit the left or right arrow, it'll jump 1 second. And set a keyframe on a transform. Bring your position down. We advance 3 seconds. And bring it back up. If your line shows too much, you can add a little soft edge to your polyline. Right now it's kind of linear. Make sure the transparent picture is selected. Go up here to the keyframes. Select this button. The window will pop out. Highlight them. And select ease in, ease out. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.